Throughout the course of human civilization, food culture has evolved from a simple means of survival to an intricate cultural experience. The look, the aroma, and the flavor make the most important prerequisites for a good dish. Oil, as a catalyst for a good dish, compared with all the different food materials, appears to be low-key and modest. Olive oil, the queen of vegetable oils from the Mediterranean region. Tea oil, the liquid gold from the mountains in South China. These two quality plant-based oils ensure that the role of oil in cooking should not be underestimated. In the mountains around the village, Yu Jiafu and his father are busy picking tea seeds. In November, in the mountainous area of South China, fruits of the tea trees complete their final oil conversion before the arrival of winter. Every grain of oil tea seed is precious to Yu Jiafu. From the moment it is planted, it takes an oil tea tree 5 to 7 years to bear fruit. Every November, in the oil factories of Wuzun, it's the busiest season. In the hands of the experienced worker, oil tea seeds, also known as camellia seeds, just picked from the mountains, will be turned, fried, steamed, pressed, and hammered repeatedly to squeeze out the oil. It is a centuries-old traditional method for making pressed tea oil in the village. In the hilly areas of the southern part of China, the warm and humid subtropical climate with an average temperature from 14 to 21 degrees Celsius and an abundance of sunshine make ideal conditions for the growth of oil tea trees. China's oil tea seed production accounts for more than 90% of global production. Also in November, in the coastal areas of the Mediterranean Sea, another plant-based oil material, olives, are vigorously soaking up their last dose of sunshine before being harvested. Similar to the mountains in South China, the coastal areas of the Mediterranean Sea also enjoy unique natural conditions. It is home to 95% of the world's olive trees, the oil of which is also known as liquid gold. Stefano De Carlo from Italy has been living in Hangzhou, China for over 20 years. His wife is from Hangzhou. Stefano enjoys his life here, a city described as the city of heaven by another Italian, Marco Polo. Pasta, salad, and pizza are the souls of Italian cuisine. Olive oil plays an irreplaceable role in Stefano's kitchen. First cold-pressed olive oil makes top-quality cooking oil. Made from the first milling of the olives, this type of oil is served best cold and raw.
Everything oil. For make a sauce, for pasta, for pizza, everything for salad. If we don't have oil, we cannot cook it.
Olive oil is an essential ingredient for traditional Mediterranean cuisine. In the Greek island of Crete, the secret of longevity of the locals lies in one of their daily foods, olive oil. Monounsaturated fatty acids in olive oil can be as high as 80% or more. With other vitamins and antioxidants, the nutrition value of olive oil is in a class of its own. Olive oil is considered to be one of the best edible oils for the human body. After working away from home for some years, Yu Jiafu has come back to his hometown to start a tea oil business. When introducing his product, Yu Jiafu likes to call it the Oriental olive oil, as an analogy to the benefits of tea oil, for it also contains high nutritional value similar to olive oil. With the use of tea oil, even ordinary home-cooked dishes by Yu's mother make up the core memories of home when Yu Jiafu works away from home. Yu's hometown, Changshan County in Zhejiang Province, produces large quantities of tea oil. Local people have been eating tea oil for more than 2,300 years. In many tea oil-producing areas of South China, legend has it that tea oil increases longevity.
每家每户都把它看得很重。我记得我小的时候，那个时候香肠油卖10块钱一斤，但是菜籽油那个时候才卖大概1-2块钱一斤，它的价格相差非常大。
According to scientific research, tea oil contains more than 90% unsaturated fatty acid, which is scientifically proven to be nutritional for the human body. For its many health benefits, tea oil has been recommended as an important source of healthy edible oil by the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations. Chef Tan Peng also comes from a tea oil-producing province, Hunan. He is making a signature dish of the restaurant, a classic Hunan dish, stir-fried chicken with tea oil. In China, the heat conduction of oil is utilized to the fullest. Experienced chefs are good at using the oil at different temperatures to cook the same ingredients with different flavors. However, the smoke point of the oil has become a problem area for the chef.
油的烟点超过它这个油的热稳定度以后，会产生对人体的有害的物质。像我们湘菜菜的特色特点，第一个就是蔬菜的蔬菜块温度要高，要爆炒，要把这个菜的锅气炒出来。像这个茶叶的话，它的盐点就比较高。
With a smoke point as high as 250 degrees Celsius. No matter if it is pan-fried, stir-fried, deep-fried or dry-fried, the nutrition in tea oil stays stable, even when it is heated to a high temperature. In Hangzhou, a few blocks away from Stefano De Carlo's, lives Stefano's Chinese friend, Yang Sheng, who also runs an Italian restaurant. Since 2007, Yang Sheng has been running this restaurant in the city. In 2017, he paid a special visit to Rome to learn authentic Italian cooking. Here, what attracts customers the most is not just the authentic Italian cuisine, but the new dishes created by Yang Sheng by combining Italian flavors with local ingredients.
还有一些呢是比较传统的杭州菜，东坡肉，它是蒸出来的，然后我们结合一下，哎，这个东坡肉做个披萨试试看，哎，结果也挺好的。就是主要在附近的年轻人，他们也喜欢这些国际化的，还有一点点本土相结合的年轻化的产品，追求精致的一些客户 追求品质的产品的客户也会选择我们。
Later you need to tell me this is what's me now. The life of bread.
Today, Yang Sheng is taking Stefano to buy tea oil. They want to try combining tea oil with olive oil to make pasta.
I wanted green tea oil 可以 make salad 可以 make 其他的一些菜可以。
非常健康，都有各自的特点，也有各自的优点。在这个使用过程当中，我也会选择性的去搭配使用它。我觉得还应该是可以融合的。我们做那个 pasta 都是手工面，在这个配方里面把橄榄油换成了山茶油。那天我们是用盐、鸡蛋、山茶油，然后烹饪的过程当中是山茶油，最后装盘以后淋了橄榄油。
好吃吗？
走吧。
Globalization brings about a fusion of food cultures. When olive oil meets Chinese tea oil, a delightful taste adventure is sparked. Stefano and Yang Sheng explore the possibilities of combining different foods. Meanwhile, as food cultures are exchanged domestically and internationally, more and more olive oil has been brought to Chinese dining tables. In the CBD of Beijing, over 500 national and multinational corporations are based in this district. This is a light meal restaurant with long queues at lunchtime every day. While olive oil is served in every dish, be it in a cold dish or a low-temperature fried dish, it is an important source of fat for people trying to cut their fat intake.
现在的话，我身边有很多朋友，他们都特别喜欢健身嘛，然后他们也都会选择轻食，然后轻食上有很多也都是用橄榄油做，然后大家可能会觉得橄榄油会偏健康一些。
Zhang Han opened this light meal restaurant 5 years ago. As market demand has increased exponentially, he has opened up 4 branches in Beijing.
随着就是这个年轻消费者对这个健康饮食这个理念越来越接受，越来越流行，橄榄油的这个应用场景以及这个流行趋势一定是在逐年的增加。
400 years ago, to pray for harvest, peace, and happiness, villagers of Wuzun would light up a lamp with tea oil at the entrance of the village. When night falls, the lamplighter lights up the lamps. The flame of light is passed down for generation and generation. In Greece, when a child is born, the family plants an olive tree. When the child turns 6, the olive tree will start to fruit. Even after 150 years, the olive tree will still be fruiting and well alive. For Greeks, an olive tree is a family treasure. From the mountainous areas of South China to the coasts of the Mediterranean Sea, the liquid gold of nature brings forth not only a delicious taste of food, but a wonderful, healthy journey. And through the tireless efforts of each passing generation, it continues to nourish the never-ending human civilization.